Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Henry versus Junior from Gemini Man. We'll explore the unique characteristics of each character and their roles in the film's narrative. Henry, a seasoned operative, faces his younger self, Junior, in a high-stakes confrontation. This creates a fascinating dynamic, raising questions about experience versus potential. Join us as we delve into what makes each character compelling. Henry Brogan represents the pinnacle of human experience and skill. His extensive career has honed him into an incredibly effective operative, capable of complex strategic thinking. However, the weight of his past actions and the emotional burden he carries are significant. While still formidable, his physical peak is behind him, making the challenge of facing Junior even more daunting. He embodies the wisdom and weariness of a long career. Junior, as a clone, represents the optimized version of Henry, without the years of wear and tear. He boasts superior physical attributes and an incredible capacity for learning and adaptation. Yet, his lack of life experience and emotional depth makes him vulnerable. He's a blank slate, initially guided by his creators, but with the potential for independent thought. This contrast highlights the film's exploration of nature versus nurture. Ultimately, determining which character is better depends on the criteria. Henry's profound experience and moral compass give him an edge in complex situations, demonstrating that wisdom can surpass raw physical prowess. Junior, however, represents untapped potential and a future without the burdens of the past. Both are exceptional in their own ways, making their conflict so compelling. For more great content, check out the description for links to other deals, and make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.